Aravalli, the green heartbeat of North India, holding a history of thousands, lakhs of years, are themselves now on verge of becoming history.
Had a Supreme Court order banning all mining in the Aravallis.
तो अरावली पर्वतमाला लहूलुहान में चली है।
Aravalli mountain range is the oldest geographical marvel on the earth, formed around 1.9 billion years ago in Precambrian era. These are older than Himalayas and formed like Himalayas and therefore called Old Folded Mountain or Residual Mountains. This stretches from Palanpur, Gujarat to Delhi through Rajasthan and Haryana. The highest peak of Aravalli is Guru Shikhar in the Sirohi district of Rajasthan with 1722 meter height. These mountain ranges span around 670 km length in northwestern India. Also, it acts as a natural barrier against dust storm coming from Thar desert. Therefore, it prevents region of eastern Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi and the western plains of Uttar Pradesh from desertification. Rashtrapati Bhavan is also located on Aravalli ranges named as Raisina Hills in New Delhi. Aravallis are epitome of human and natural history. It's rich in biodiversity, having 20 plus wildlife sanctuaries. Aravallis are the national capital region's key water recharge zone. Rivers like Banas, Luni, Sabarmati originated from the hills of Aravalli. Aravalli hosts a dry deciduous forest ecosystem with over 300 plant species including medicinal herbs like neem and thorny shrubs and agricultural crops like millets, wheat and mustard. Also, Aravalli has largest deposit of some minerals like lead, copper, zinc.
Aravalli Hills are lovely tourist spot with all trails contributing to 10 to 15% Rajasthan state GDP. Fresh air, green views charms visitors.
Gradually, Aravallis are vanishing in the sake of multi-dimensional human grip. Research conducted by Central University of Rajasthan found over the last 20 years 31 hills in the upper Aravalli range have disappeared and around hundreds of hills has flattened. During 1970s, Aravalli forest cover area in Rajasthan was recorded 10,462 square kilometer, but it limited to 6,116 square kilometer by 1980. Research uncovers that approximately 80% of hills have been degraded to few meters height in Jaipur rural region due to illegal mining. Also, illegal miners vanished many small hills on Haryana-Rajasthan border because of Haryana government suffered 2,500 crore loss in last 2 years as illegal miners were from Rajasthan. Aravalli Association for Rural Advancement Through Voluntary Action and Local Involvement Program Director Ambus Kishore said, जयपुर से 70 किलोमीटर दूर NH48 पर मोकमपुरा गांव में हमने एक पहाड़ देखा जो आधा गायब हो चुका है और बचा हुआ हिस्सा अगले साल गायब हो जाएगा. At last, who is Aravalli real culprit? According to a 2017 report by FSI, there are more than 3,200 illegal mines in Aravalli and using dynamite for extracting constructing material, acting as a catalyst for disappearing of Aravalli Hills. Every year, approximately 100 to 150 hectares of forest area is being destroyed only due to mining. Even groundwater level has dropped by 200 feet in mining area. Air pollution are 3 times higher than national average. Every month, 1,000 tons of silt is being illegally dumped for construction, which impacts entire ecology. Mining in Aravalli strips forest, erodes soil, dries river, converting green land into desertic land. But with the disappearing of Aravalli Hills, now sandstorms are reaching to Delhi and western UP plain region, and continuous efforts will lead to Thar expansion and climate change in northern India. One side mine feeding to infrastructure boom, but other side impacting local population.
बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आता है इनके इस रोड पे कितनी मिट्टी उड़ रही है, पापा की तबीयत कितनी खराब है, मतलब मौत के मुंह में चली गया थी.
हमारे यहाँ की तो ऐसी हालत हो गई कि हमारे जो आने वाली पीढ़ी है ना 60 साल नहीं भुगतेगी, 60 साल से पहले खत्म हो जाएगी. इतनी कैंसर हो रहा है, क्यों पैदा हो रही है?
All this is happening in the front of our eyes. So why are the governments of the states and our constitutional system not taking any action on this? Despite Supreme Court verdict to stop illegal mining, it is still persisting because of lack of enforcement and corruption net from top government institutes to bottom ठेकेदार्स in hierarchy, resulting in disappearing of 25% of Aravalli ranges in Rajasthan.
यहाँ पे पॉलिटिशियन भी है, यहाँ पे NGO सेक्टर भी है, यहाँ पे प्राइवेट लोग भी हैं, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर भी है, ये जो बाबू लोग हैं ये भी है. तो इनके बीच में एक तरह से समझौता हो चुका है कि तुम मेरी, एक कहावत होती है कि तुम मेरी मत कहना, मैं तुम्हारी नहीं कहूँगा किसी से.
Also, illegal mining operators in Aravalli have multiply attacked civil activists and sometimes also leading to murder of honest police officials. Land mining with increasing human settlement is also cause of reducing forest cover of Aravallis. Real estate development, privatization, urbanization also led to degradation of Aravallis. It's time for each one of us to speak up to save Aravallis, our green lungs, water recharge zone and wildlife habitat, and convert Aravallis cry to forever happiness. Because if Aravalli continues to degrade,
चुपचाप देखते रहेंगे तो हम भी खत्म होंगे, आगे वाली जनरेशन भी खत्म होगी और ये पहाड़ भी खत्म होंगे।
Aravalli has protected us for 1000 years and now it's our turn to protect Aravalli. To save lungs of North Bharat, we must unite. Through government initiatives and projects like Aravalli Green Wall Project, Aravalli Biodiversity Park and NGOs collaborative actions like Save Aravalli Trust, I Am Gurgaon, Pukar Foundation, we can protect this natural heritage.
Let's act together now to keep Aravallis green and thriving.